In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type a cubed symbol in PowerPoint. This is a simple but useful trick for those working on presentations that require mathematical notation or any creative projects that involve this kind of symbol. Whether you're working on a school project, business presentation, or anything in between, this is a handy skill to have in your toolset. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's not already installed, you'll need to download and install it before we proceed. Once you have PowerPoint open, locate the specific presentation you want to work on. It's important to have your presentation ready, so if you haven't started one yet, this is a good time to create a new presentation or locate one you've already been working on. Now that you have your presentation open, let's move on to where you'd like to add the cubed symbol. Navigate to the specific slide and click on the text box where you'd like your symbol to appear. This could be within a sentence or as part of a larger mathematical equation. It's totally up to you. The key here is to make sure that your text box is active, meaning you can see the blinking cursor inside it indicating you can start typing. Here's where the magic happens. To insert the cubed symbol on your keyboard, press the Alt key, and then, while holding it down, type 0, 7, 1, and 9 in sequence. Remember to keep holding the Alt key until you've typed the full sequence. Once you've done that, release the Alt key, and voila, you'll see the cubed symbol appear right where your cursor was blinking. If you're not seeing the symbol appear, double check to ensure you've pressed the keys in the correct order and are holding down the Alt key throughout the process. A little pro tip. This method works because of Unicode, which is a standard that assigns a unique code to every character and symbol. Thus, typing these numbers allows you to tap into a vast array of special characters that aren't readily available on a standard keyboard. It's always handy to know a few of these shortcuts. And there you have it. You've learned how to successfully insert a cubed symbol into your PowerPoint presentation. Practicing this a few times will help it become second nature. So next time you're preparing a presentation that requires a cubed symbol, you'll be ready. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to make your presentation stand out. Happy presenting!